Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my others are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for this video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas, beautiful cowl free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till then. All the patterns are very beautiful and stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. And fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful variety, different designing. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Mind-blowing ideas. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. Very nice. If you know crochet works, you can also make by yourself at your home without any trouble. If you don't know crochet works, you can buy this crocheting work from any shopping mart. If you want to buy online, so please visit some websites like AliExpress, Amazon, Amazon.com, Etesa.com, Light in the Box, Kbus.com and Shuba.com. Very nice, most demanding collection.